Chapter 7 Interdependence. A number of organisms operate in the environment, but plants, animals, and human beings play the most important role in the different activities of environment. The environment is so adjusted that all of its organisms are interdependent. All organisms operate in coordination with each other. Their interdependence is therefore of great importance. Let us learn about the interdependence. Interdependence. A. Interdependence of plants. The plants cannot operate on their own. Plants absorb nutrients from the soil and animals make the soil fertile. The soil is made fertile by the decomposition of many animals like insects, earthworms, germs, and bacteria. The living animals in the soil secrete several material which are useful for the fertility of the soil. The plants sown by man are well taken care of by him. Man supplies good amount of water and other nutrients in the form of fertilizers and manures. This way, the plants depend upon the man and animals. Activity. There are some carnivore plants also like Venus flytrap. B. Interdependence of animals. Like plants, animals also depend upon the other components of environment, that is, plants and human beings. Basic food of many animals is plants. The plant-eating animals are called herbivores. Example, elephant, giraffe, camel, horse, etc. Some animals eat flesh of other animals as their food. They are called carnivore animals. Animals also depend upon the human beings. Many animals are domesticated by the man like cow, horse, camel, etc. All these animals are taken care of by man. He provides food and water to them. Man also makes zoological parks and sanctuaries to protect the endangered species of wild animals. Hence, the animals depend upon the plants and human beings. Activity. Name any four carnivore animals. C. Interdependence of human beings. All human beings directly depend upon the plants and animals. All types of food are obtained from plants or animals. Plants provide cereals, fruits, vegetables, nuts, herbs, and many other forms of food. Many animals provide milk to man as a basic part of diet. Cattle is the most dominant source of milk. Animals also provide flesh as food to the people. Some animals provide eggs as food to man. Fur of many animals is used as source of wool. Skin of many animals is used as a source of leather. This way, all human beings depend upon plants and animals. Deforestation. Deforestation refers to the cutting of trees by man. It destroys the forest cover and disturbs the environment. It is not good for the environment and for all human beings. Forests cover a large area with trees. Many wild animals also live there. The wood of trees is very useful. It is used in furniture, buildings, etc. Forests also clean the air by releasing oxygen and consuming carbon dioxide. Forests also provide us many herbs which are used in medicines. Because of these reasons, the forests are considered the most useful resource. Man cuts trees for wood. It leads to soil erosion. All trees release oxygen and make the air clean. By cutting trees, the amount of oxygen reduces in air and air becomes impure. Therefore, we should not cut trees, rather plant more trees. Urbanization. Urbanization is the growth of cities. Nowadays, it is a common feature of all the cities of India. The overgrowth of cities is because of movement of people from the surrounding villages to the cities. It happens because the number of jobs in villages is limited. The occupation of agriculture does not provide large number of jobs. On the other hand, the cities provide large number of jobs because of the presence of industries. People therefore shift from villages to the cities. When cities grow in a limited time, they grow haphazardly. Rush on roads start increasing. Overcrowding leads to congestion in urban areas. The cost of land therefore increases. Slums start growing where the living conditions are very poor. The sewage does not flow properly. It gives bad smell. Activity. Name the two largest cities of the state in which you live. Conservation of water. Water is precious. It is the basis of all life. All living organisms grow by using water. The human beings use water in many ways, like drinking, washing, cooking, irrigation, etc. Many industries also use water. Although water is a renewable resource, but many activities of man pollute the already existing water resources. Let us learn the various ways to save water. 1. Use only that much water which is required by you. 2. Do not wash clothes in the river or well. It pollutes the water. 3. Never leave the taps running when water is not required. 4. Repair the leaking pipes immediately. 5. The polluted or wastewater should be recycled. 6. Building of dams and barrages store the water for future use. 7. Sewage should not be allowed to join some river or groundwater. 8. Rainwater should be harnessed or used by storing it with the help of rainwater harvesting techniques. Things to remember. 1. All organisms operate in coordination with each other. 2. Plants absorb many nutrients from the soil. 3. Herbivore animals eat plants as their food. 4. Carnivore animals eat flesh of other animals. 5. Plants provide cereals, fruits, vegetables, nuts, herbs to man. 6. Animals provide milk, fur, flesh, and skin to man. 7. Deforestation refers to the cutting of trees by man. 8. Urbanization is the growth of cities due to movement of people. 9. Water is a precious resource, therefore should be conserved.